Hello and welcome to my rusty truck makeover. I found this sweet little box at my local Goodwill. I love the patina and the actual color. Let's add a transfer. Since the plan for this piece is to leave the original finish, I'm going to clean it very well and rinse it. Today we'll be adding a brand new transfer from the Bells and Whistles line. This is Rusty Truck. Inside this brand new flat packaging, there are 4 beautiful image sheets, instructions, and a burnishing tool. Transfers can be applied to any decor item, including painted furniture, trunks, glass, or metal. They are very beginner friendly and super easy to use. I'm going to take these images, cut them out, and then apply them to the trunk. Gently peel off the white backing paper. This will leave you with a clear sheet with the image on the inside. On the back of the image, there's a sticky adhesive. Lay your image down onto your project and use the enclosed burnishing tool to push this down onto your work. On these images, the truck is on 2 different sheets of paper. You can line it up at the seam and gently release your image onto the trunk. You can layer your transfers on top of each other as well. I layered this onto the corner and gently touched the edge of the truck. I think that this little metal case would make an awesome coffee table. All you need to do is add some vintage industrial wheels and you'd be good to go. I applied these transfers all around the trunk, on the sides and including the back. When I'm finished adhering the transfers to the trunk, I can seal this piece with clear coat. I chose to use satin clear coat over top of the entire trunk. This way I can seal in my transfers and protect my work. If this trunk was a painted item and I wanted to add transfers to it, you could also use Dixie Belle's wax in clear to seal in your transfers. I love the size of these cute little license plates. They were the perfect tool to layer on the edges. What a quick and easy flip with a little bit of Dixie Belle transfers, some clear coat, and cleaning products. This trunk turned out so super cute. I love the original green color, the rusty crusty edges, and that transfer is the perfect accent. Thanks for joining me on my painting journey. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos weekly.